Hey guys, guess what? It's baking time! Well, get this. I think this won't stay the heck up. So, let's see. One. Is any in here? Nope. Is it in here? Nope. Skip-a-roo. Is it in here? Nope. Is it in here? Nope. Check in here again. Nope. I wish baking time wasn't over. Is it in here? Well, I'm gonna look. So first I get it. Ow. Standy Sam. I'm the man. Open it. Jeez. You said I gotta go to the bathroom and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So we need 1 cup, one. Okay. No. I know, don't judge my sink. But, dang it. This sucks. Yeah, but I'll be back. So we have to fill it up. It's 1 thing. Let's do this. Nope. That looks exact. Oh, it doesn't, but who cares? Okay. And then 3 Hy-Vee eggs. Okay. We need 3 Hy-Vee eggs. So, we have 1 egg. We have 2 eggs. And we have 3. And then we need 1. Okay. So it says preheat oven to 350. Oh, you can't see it, dang. So let's preheat it. So we go bake 350. And then we do when the green light goes off. We're done. Hear that noise in the background? That's my dad. Okay, I need a pan. Oh, wait. Look, those aren't pans. And then you need a pan like that.